Good morning! Welcome back! Once again, I am Sir Nology Jeremias. Welcome to Mathematics 6, Quarter 2, Lesson 7. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving finding the percentage using appropriate strategies. Before we start our lesson, you are going to answer 5 questions. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. There were 140 pupils in grade 6. 85% of them signed up for math class review. How many students signed up for the class review? A. 21, B. 55, C. 119, or D. 225. Choose your answer. The answer is letter C, 119. Number 2. In a 25-item test, Glenn answered 84% correctly. How many mistakes did he get? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Choose your answer. The answer is letter D, 4. For questions 3 to 5, here is the problem. There were 250 people on the beach. If 10% of the people left, how many people remained? Number 3. What is asked in the problem? A. Number of people left the beach. B. Number of people walked on the beach. C. Number of people remained on the beach. D. Total number of people on the beach. Choose your answer. Answer is letter C. Number of people remained on the beach. Number 4. How many percent of the people stayed on the beach? A. 10%, B. 25%, C. 60%, or D. 90%. What is your answer? The answer is letter A, 10%. Very good. You're doing great. Let us now have the last question. Number 5. How many people remained on a beach? A. 25, B. 125, C. 225, or D. 250. Choose your answer. The answer is letter C, 225. Very good. Now let us have a short review. There are 3 elements in a percent problem, namely percentage, base, and rate. Example, 6 is 25% of 24. 6 is the percentage, 25% is the rate, and 24 is the base. You are now going to identify the rate, base, and percentage in the following problems. Number 1. At 20% or 4,600 pesos is the down payment for a brand new TV set. The original price of this TV set is 23,000 pesos. 20% is the rate, 4,600 is the percentage, 23,000 pesos is the base. Number 2. Daniel invests 40,000 pesos at 6% simple interest a year. His interest is 2,400 pesos. 40,000 pesos is the base, 6% is the rate, and 2,400 is the percentage. Number 3. Melissa had 120 kilograms of rice. Her mother sold 105 kilograms or 87 and 5/10%. 120 is the base, 85 and 5/10% is the rate. 105 is the percentage. Number 4. Dina gives 40% of her salary to her mother. This is equivalent to 10,000 pesos of her 25 pesos income. 40% is the rate, 10,000 pesos is the percentage, 25,000 pesos is the base. Number 5. 7 of the 35 boys in the class wear eyeglasses. 20% of the boys wear eyeglasses. 7 is the percentage, 35 is the base, 20% is the rate. Let us proceed to our lesson for today. Routine problem. Example, read and analyze. Of the 50-item test, Mercy got 90% correct. How many correct answers did Mercy get? Let us get what is asked in the problem. Find the number of correct answers Mercy got in a test. List all the given data. 50, number of items. 90%, rate of correct answer. Let us illustrate to solve the problem. Draw a diagram with 10 parts. Divide 50 by 10 units is 5. 1 unit is equal to 5. Since the diagram has 10 parts, 1 part is 10%. And the total of this is 50 items or 100%. These parts represent the number of correct answer. To get the number of correct answer, multiply 5 by 9 units. 5 times 9 equals 45. Therefore, Mercy got 45 correct answers. Another way to solve the problem is by using the formula percentage is equal to base times rate. Base is 50, rate is 90%. Percentage is equal to 50 times 90%. Percentage is equal to 50 times 90%. Change 90% to decimal by moving the decimal point twice going to left. And indicate the decimal point. 90% to decimal is 90 hundredths. Then multiply. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 5 is 45. Then add. Bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Bring down 5 and bring down 4. Count the decimal places in the factor. There are 2 decimal places in the factor. Put 2 decimal places in the product and indicate the decimal point. So, the percentage is equal to 45. Let us come now to non-routine problem. Example, read and analyze. Cesar invited 300 kids to his birthday party. Only 20% of the kids did not show up. How many kids came to the party? What are you going to look for in the problem? Look for the number of kids attended the party. Use the following data. 300 invited kids, 20% did not come to the party. Let us use diagram to solve the problem. Divide the diagram into 5 units. 1 unit is equal to 20%. Divide 300 by 5 is 60. 1 unit is 60. 60 is equal to 20%. This part represents the number of kids did not attend the party. The remaining 4 parts is 80% represent the number of kids attended the party. To get the number of kids attended the party, multiply 60 times 4 equals 240. Therefore, the answer is there were 240 kids attended the party. Another way to solve the problem is you can multiply 300 times 100% minus 20%. Why 100% minus 20%? Because you are going to look for the rate that represents the number of kids attended the party. 300 times 80% equals, you are going to change first 80% to decimal by moving the decimal point twice going to left and put the decimal point. So 80% to decimal is 80 hundredths. Then multiply. 0 times 0 is equal to 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is equal to 0. And 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Then add. Bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then bring down 4 and 2. Count the decimal places in the factor. We have 2 decimal places. Then put 2 decimal places in the product and indicate the decimal point. So the answer is 240. Let us have another example. Out of 400 children surveyed, 10% are left-handed. Of this number, 25% are girls. How many of the left-handed children surveyed are girls? Look for the number of left-handed girls. Given 400, number of children surveyed, 10% left-handed children, 25% left-handed girls. Since we are looking for the percentage, use the formula percentage is equal to base times rate. Step 1. Look for the number of left-handed children. 40 times 10%. Change 10% to decimal. 40 times 0.10 equals 40. There are 40 left-handed children. Step 2. Find 25% of 40 to get the number of left-handed girls. 40 times 25%. Change 25% to decimal. 40 times 25 hundredths is equal to 10. The answer is, there are 10 left-handed girls. It's time for you to solve. Practice directions. Solve each problem using the diagram. Keep practicing. Read, analyze, and solve each problem. Test yourself. Read, analyze, and solve the given problem. Valuing. Do you save money? How do you save money? Why is saving money important? To wrap up, what are the steps in solving word problems? How do you find the percentage of a number? Now you are going to answer the following questions. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Here are the answers. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.